There are a lot of big names in the world of cryptocurrency right now, but one of the biggest ones is a blockchain known as Ethereum. It currently is the number 2 crypto on the market right now, and is honestly the basis, via its blockchain code, for a lot of the cryptocurrencies you've seen emerge in recent times. But they're not staying stagnant in their position. Rather, they're working on improving their product with an upgrade that could change everything. And now, they've got a major backer to make it happen. Allow us to show you how Kraken donates $250,000 to advance Ethereum 2.0 blockchain upgrade efforts. Kraken's donation. Kraken is excited to announce it will donate $250,000 to the open source developer teams now working to accelerate Ethereum's ongoing technical upgrades dubbed Ethereum 2.0. Here's the full press release. The announcement follows Ethereum's successful London hard fork on August 5th, which saw the network that powers the world's second most valuable cryptocurrency introduce 5 highly anticipated changes to its software. We believe it's our responsibility to give back to the open source innovators who are building the next generation of cryptocurrency, said Jesse Powell, CEO and co-founder at Kraken. That's why we're excited to work with the Ethereum Foundation to ensure developers receive funding from an increasingly diverse range of stakeholders. These developments pave the way for Ethereum's eventual transition to proof-of-stake and ease operations for the many decentralized applications that are now building on top of its platform. Kraken clients have already staked over 800,000 ETH, worth more than $2 billion, to secure the Beacon chain, the coming proof-of-stake version of the Ethereum blockchain. As of late July, clients have earned more than 25,000 ETH, then worth $58 million, in rewards through this offering. The funds will be distributed to teams by the Ethereum Foundation and will be awarded as eligible teams reach project milestones. We strongly believe that collaborative efforts and support are the most sustainable way to benefit Ethereum in the long run. This joint effort to support teams and builders that maintain a diverse set of Ethereum clients is not only impactful, but sets a great example, said Ethereum Foundation Executive Director Aya Miyaguchi. Funds will be awarded to developers working on clients that support the Ethereum software, including Bezo, Aragon, Geth, Nethermind, and Nimbus, technologies that together power more than 80% of the distributed Ethereum network. To date, Kraken has given grants to projects including Gitcoin, Brink, BTC Pay Server, and the University of Wyoming, all designed to promote education and development related to the cryptocurrencies traded on our global exchange. As the first major exchange to list Ether for trading, Kraken is proud once again to lead the way by giving back to the courageous builders who are hard at work on the front lines of crypto innovation. We look forward to continuing to list the most exciting Ethereum assets for trading and to grow our available Ethereum services. So yeah, they went pretty big on this, wouldn't you say? Though, if you don't know what Kraken is outside of a mythological beast, we got your back. About Kraken. Based in San Francisco, Kraken is the world's largest global digital asset exchange based on euro volume and liquidity. Globally, Kraken's client base trades more than 70 digital assets and 7 different fiat currencies, including EUR, the USD, CAD, GBP, JPY, CHF, and AUD. Kraken was founded in 2011 and was the first U.S. crypto firm to receive a state-chartered banking license, as well as one of the first exchanges to offer spot trading with margin, regulated derivatives, and index services. Kraken is trusted by more than 7 million traders, institutions, and authorities around the world, and offers professional round-the-clock online support. 2021 is already a record year for Kraken. Year to date, Kraken has processed more than $420 billion in trading volume, more than 3 times the volume reported in 2020, our best year on record. May is Kraken's best month on record. In a single day, Kraken processed just under $12 billion traded volume in spot and derivatives, which exceeded most historical monthly volumes and was more than 40 times average daily volumes last year. Indeed, 2021 has proven to be a record year for Kraken as it hits its 10-year milestone. Total signups in the first half of 2021 were nearly 5-fold the number of signups recorded across the whole of 2020. Now though, let's talk about the product they're helping make via their investment, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum. For those completely new to the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, Ethereum is a decentralized network powered by the digital ledger blockchain technology that can be used to conduct digital payments. It differs from Bitcoin in that code can be built and programmed onto Ethereum's blockchain network to create smart contracts and decentralized apps that run constantly, and that can't be manipulated or controlled by a third party. Ethereum 2.0 upgrades will attempt to greatly improve this network. As Ether and Ethereum have grown in popularity, the network has gotten more clogged by transactions. Currently, it can handle 15 to 45 transactions per second, which sounds impressive, but is proving not nearly enough to handle all of Ethereum's users from across the globe. The high demand is also driving up transaction fees, which obviously no one wants to deal with, not even in the world of digital currency. And that says nothing towards a certain hack that caused Ethereum to undergo a massive security change in order to get things fixed up. So, a 2.0 upgrade is absolutely what is needed in order to make things better. A big initiative of Ethereum 2.0 is to make the network more scalable so it can handle all of the activity on the network. Currently, Ethereum, like many other blockchain networks, is powered by nodes, which are any device connected to the blockchain, including servers, computers, and cell phones. Nodes are interconnected and are constantly exchanging data so the network stays up to date. But the nodes on the upgrade have determined that making the nodes bigger wouldn't be practical. 2.0. To ease some of the pressure, developers are turning to a concept called sharding that will create 64 new chains on the Ethereum network to further spread the volume. This will essentially take the massive amount of data currently being stored on Ethereum nodes and break it into smaller groups that will be stored on more databases, which will ease pressure on the current system and allow for more transactions per second. The sharding part of the process is very important and will also make the network more secure and sustainable. Sharding will eventually enable ordinary users to operate Ethereum on a personal device, increasing network participants and making the Ethereum blockchain more decentralized because there will be more users. The more users and the more nodes, the more complex it will become for hackers to take hold of a large part of the network. With more network participants, Ethereum 2.0 is also planning to move away from the energy-intensive mining of tokens to a process called staking. A big part of cryptocurrencies has always been a concept called mining, in which people trying to obtain new tokens use high-powered computers to solve complex math equations very quickly. As the demand for crypto has increased, miners have had to use an incredible amount of computing power, and therefore energy to mint new tokens. Sharding will help do away with mining. Instead, Ethereum will turn to staking, a process in which Ether owners store a certain number of tokens away in a crypto wallet on their own personal device, and then use those tokens to validate and forge new Ether tokens. The transition to Ethereum 2.0 could make the network nearly 100% more energy efficient. Lastly, once all of these upgrades are in place, Ethereum will be able to do a wide rollout of smart contract execution. Smart contracts are programmed and automated contracts that can't be retroactively changed and that run without needing to be carried out by some sort of third party. For instance, A smart contract could be set up to execute a lease between a landlord and a tenant, where a contract is signed and then money from the tenant is automatically released to the landlord every month, without the usual friction in these relationships. If executed properly, Ethereum 2.0 could be a total game changer. It will create a network that could potentially process 100,000 transactions per second. It will also create a much more sustainable network without the energy-intensive mining and introduce smart contracts to the broader world, increasing Ethereum's real-world utility. Furthermore, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has said that new token issuance should be greatly reduced under Ethereum 2.0, which could increase demand. Given all those factors, Ethereum 2.0 should be well worth the wait. So, what do you think? What do you think of this look at the donation that Ethereum got to go and upgrade its product? Are you shocked that someone was willing to give that much to a blockchain just to help it improve? Do you think that this was more of a business decision than one of true faith in the product? Do you think that Ethereum 2.0 will honestly go and change the future of crypto? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.